Welcome to this new lecture of Natural Language Processing with Python. In this lecture, we will study or learn word clouds method. Unlike numerical data, there are few ways in which text data can be represented visually. The most popular way of visualizing text data is by using word clouds method. A word cloud is a visualization of a text corpus in which the sizes of the tokens or words represent the number of times they have occurred, as shown in the following image. It's mean the words with large font size represents the most or more frequently occurred words in a corpus or a text. Exercise: Generating word clouds. In this exercise, we will utilize the most frequent occurring words in the first 1000 articles from sklearn fetch _20 newsgroup dataset using a word cloud method. In step 1, we usually open a Colab or Jupyter notebook, and then in step 2 we import the required libraries. First we import the NLP library, and then we download the list of stop words which we prevent or eliminate. Stop words are the words or letters which we want to eliminate from our text. And then we import matplotlib, and then we import the 20 newsgroups dataset from sklearn library, and then we import the stop words, and then we import the word cloud clause from word cloud library, and then we again import matplotlib library, and then we set the pixels or resolution of our figures which we want to draw and where we want to draw or represent our text with cloud methods. In step 2, we write a user defined function get _ data, and we pass a parameter n actually the number of articles or documents which we want to select, and then on which we apply the word cloud method. Now we define a variable newsgroup _ data _ sample, and then we store the train set of 20 newsgroups data set, and then we select the data from its data column or features and up to n articles, and then return text. Number 4, add a method to remove stop words. Actually, this whole method or function is used to remove the stop words from the given text or corpus or text datasets. For example, we define a variable, and then we and this variable, actually not a variable, actually this is a list variable. So in this variable we store the some common words like /n, and / like this, and then we extend the list, and then we load the English stop word lists which are available in NLTK library, and then we extend our user defined stop words into stop _ words, the list of stop _ words in list, and then we our list of stop words convert into set data structure, and then return stop _ words. So first we run all cells. Okay, and then run this cell. In step 5, add the generate _word _ cloud method to generate a word cloud object. So first we define a user defined function generate underscore word underscore cloud and pass to, we define a user defined function generate underscore word underscore cloud and pass two parameters text and stop words, and then we create the object of world cloud of class world cloud, and then we set the width and height of our world cloud method, and then our figure has a width 800 and height 800, and its background color would be white, and maximum words uh, which we want to show on this figure by using word cloud method is 200, and then we pass our stop words, and then minimum font size is 10, and then generate of text, and then return cloud. So run set. Actually, this user defined function is responsible to world cloud graph or figure. In step 6, we get 1000 documents from 20 news group dataset, and then get the stop word list, and then generate a world cloud object, and finally plot the world cloud with the matplot. So in first line we extract or store first 1000 articles from news data group, and then store in text variable, and then we extract the stop words, and then we call the generate underscore world cloud method and pass our given text and our given stop words, and then we show the our world cloud then we draw our world cloud graph or figure, whose type is bilinear, and then plot dot x is mean we have no labels of x axis and y axis, and then we show and then we call the show method of matplot library, and then we run the cell and see our output. Okay, this code has drawn successfully the figure of world cloud, and there are 200 words on this graph, and you can clearly see that the words with large font size has frequently occurred text or words or tokens which are frequent in our given corpus, and the words with small font size has less frequently occurring words in the given corpus. So this is the concept of word cloud methods in natural language processing. So thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.